to the Mentos. Hi, I'm Mia, and welcome to another video. Today, we're gonna do a Coke Mentos experiment.
What's gonna happen with the Coke and the Mentos?
Make a big mess. What's gonna happen? We can mix the Mentos.
When you mix the Mentos, the Coke is going to explode.
Can we open them?
You want to do it now?
Yes. We gotta start an experiment. It's not doing anything.
Well, you have to squeeze the Mentos inside. Make sure the Mentos go inside. Well, let it go. Oh! Did you leave another Mentos in there?
Yes.
Do the other bottle.
It's not going inside.
Oh. Let go of the balloon. Oh. Mm.
Look at the balloon!
I know.
I did it!
You did.
Is that the normal one?
Mm-hmm.
Look at its big red. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Why are you laughing at me? Is there more?
What's more?
The Mentos.
No, I don't think so. I think both went inside.
I think it's not in. Oh! Okay, this is the last one. Okay, so look at all the things.
Wow, Mia. You did all of that by yourself?
Yes.
You are a scientist.
Okay, we can do one more.
You can do one more?
Yes.
Okay. So what are you gonna do?
That one. This one.
Sigue. Where are you going?
The tear!
It's okay. We can clean it.
The brewer!
It's okay. It's okay. We'll clean it.
I can't do this when Mom comes.
It's okay. We'll clean it. Why you got so scared?
It almost ran me.
You're so silly. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna do it again. It's not gonna come out. No. See? That's it.
Can we do it again, Mommy? There's more in it. This is all the today's video.